Hi guys, Andy from Survival School, back with the fourth instalment on the mini-series of firelighting techniques. Okay, and today that's going to be the ye old fire steel, or the flint and steel. Okay, back in the Iron Age, when we were obviously able to forge iron and steel, okay, this is what we were able to make. Okay, and all it is a piece of soft steel and a piece of hard flint. Okay, a nice sharp edge on a piece of flint. Okay, you knock them together and create sparks basically. But we need something that's going to take these sparks. Okay, so unlike cotton wool that we use for the fire steel, okay, we need something that's going to take an even finer spark. So the sparks that come off of this are even finer than your fire steel. Okay, your ferrocerium rod. Okay, we've done a video on char cloth before, so I can use a piece of char cloth. Make sure I keep that with me in my tin, or we could use a piece of amadou. Okay, so this is a fungus. Okay, we can process this, cut this out of the fungus, and it looks like a piece of chamois. Okay, and then that will take a very fine spark as well. Or King Alfred's cakes. Okay, these grow on dead or dying ash trees. Okay, they look like little brown burnt cakes. Okay, they're not edible, but we can create fire, or we can get sparks onto this, and we can carry fire with us as well. Okay, we'll do a video on that at another time. Okay, but there's lots of concentric circles in here, and they will take a spark, and that will gently, gradually burn. Okay, that keeps away insects as well. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my steel, my soft piece of steel, and my hard piece of flint, find a nice sharp edge, sort of cutting edge on here. Okay, I'm just going to hold these up here, and I'm going to gently flick my wrist on here and create sparks. Okay, I'm not bashing the heck out of this piece of flint, okay, so it cracks everywhere. Just a gentle flick of the wrist. Hopefully you can see them little sparks jumping up. Okay, so once I know I can get sparks, I'm going to get a piece of char cloth on here. Okay, the nice fibrous edge just here will be right on the edge there. Hold that down with my thumb in between the flint and my thumb. Okay, I'm just going to gently knock this piece of steel onto that flint, and then sparks will hopefully jump up on top of that on top of that char cloth. I've got my tinder bundle ready. Okay, a load of dry grass formed into a bird's nest. Okay, so lots of dry grass. Move it around your thumbs in the middle. Okay, and cause an indentation in there. That's where I'm going to place my glowing char cloth. Okay, and then blow that into flames. So my char cloth on top of my flint, and gently knock down on top of a flint, the steel. Okay, put your firelighting equipment away. You never know when you're going to need it again. Okay, that is glowing on there. Hopefully you can see that glowing. When I'm happy, I'm going to place that into my tinder bundle, encase it in there. Heat, oxygen and fuel, okay, the three things our fire needs. I need to give it all three of them things, so when I need to take a breath, I take it away from my face so I don't breathe in a load of smoke. Long drawn out breaths. There we go. Once it catches fire, turn it upside down, heat the thermal column, rises, so turn it upside down. Place it down on the floor, then you place all your bits of kindling on there, all the bits you've got ready for your fire, and there you have your fire. Okay, so as I say, this is the ye old flint and steel. It can be quite hard to get used to using it, okay, and we don't really need to carry this with us anymore. There's lots more modern firelighting techniques, but it's a great one to learn. So gently flick on there, and tiny little sparks on there. So like all these things in bushcraft and survival, practice makes permanent. Okay, and then we keep all of that in my little tin just here, just in my little tin. Okay, and then I've got it when I need it. Okay, so that is the fourth firelighting technique. Okay, the mini series, the flint and steel. Okay, or the ye old flint and steel. Hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.